Hello everyone, I'm Nursen Selda Mersinioğlu, Chair of CEI 2026. This summer we will meet in Fethiye, Turkiye, a place where nature, culture, and tourism come together. During our conference, we will dive deeper into the world of tourism. We will explore how the places will transform us and how we as travelers can leave a positive impact on the places that we go. Together, we will reflect on what it means to be responsible tourists, even responsible tourism investors in a rapidly changing world. Now, I would like to introduce the dedicated team working behind the scenes to prepare this journey for all of us.
Warm greetings from Istanbul from CEI Turkiye board members, MD'den. We are looking forward to seeing you in Fethiye. See you soon.
I want to say hello to precious board members of the CEI. I'm happy to be the host of this year's CEI conference as a member of the Turkish team. My name is Emre and I'm looking forward to attend this year. See you.
Hi caretakers, I am Erol from the Turkish delegation. See you soon.
Hello, my name is CEI Erol. I am from Notre Dame de Sion French High School. We have been attending the caretakers since 2016.
Hello, my name is İnci Kimyonştan. I am from Saint Michel High School. We are happy we will be together in Fethiye.
See you there.
See you again.
A bientôt.
A bientôt.
Hi everyone, I'm Shule. I'm on the organizing committee and I help with office work during preparation stage for CEI. You'll probably see me around a lot during conference. See you!
Hello, bonjour, merhaba. My name is Jennifer and I am part of the organizational committee for this year's CEI conference in Fethiye. I look forward to seeing you all there. See you soon. Bye.
On behalf of Fethiye Municipality, we are very happy to welcome the caretakers of the Environment International Conference community to our city. We believe this conference will create meaningful dialogue about sustainability, environmental protection, and responsible tourism.
My name is Halime Ok, Fethiye Municipality Cultural Manager. Welcome to Fethiye. We are very happy to host the caretakers of the Environment International event in our beautiful city. Fethiye has a rich culture and history, and we are proud to share this unique place with people who care about protecting our environment. Thank you very much.